grass lang muna andyan na, ang grass lang andyan. Sa atin, ang grass lang nandyan, tapos darating ang worm. At ando na ang worm. Kapag grass ha, kapag di kaya chicken, di kaya kung di kaya chicken, kapag di kaya snake. Hindi yan, pasal time.
Group 2 is will discuss about the trophic level of an organism is the position it occupies on the food chain. So the first level is the plants and algae make their own food and are called primary products. The second level is the herbivores that eat plants and are called primary consumers. Carnivores, level 4 is the carnivores which eat other carnivores are called tertiary consumers. Apex predator, which have no predators, are at the top of the food chain. So the first level is the plants. Then the second trophic level is the rabbit. Rabbit will eat plants. At the first trophic level, they are primary consumers.
Hindi ka kausap ko.
The third trophic level is the foxes that eat rabbits at the second trophic level, so they are secondary consumers. And the fourth trophic level is the golden eagles that will eat foxes at the third trophic level, so they are tertiary consumers. And decomposers, the fungi on the street, feed on dead matter, converting it back to nutrients that primary consumers can use. So, after the second consumer will, the primary consumer will eat the plants, then the fox will eat the rabbit, the golden eagle will eat the fox, then if the golden eagle will die, there will be fungi on the eagle. It will eat the eagle and will decompose it and
Yaan mo lang, puti naman yan sa atin.
will go back to the plants. That's all.
Okay, please for group 1, upload karate.